Welcome to my channel. This is a traditional South Indian laddu. Let's see how to make this laddu. For this, I am using 4 cup of gram flour along with 2 pinch of baking soda. This baking soda gives softness to the laddu. Then mix the baking soda into the flour. For that, take a sieve and sieve the flour with baking soda. This is the best way to mix the soda into the flour. After mixing this, keep it aside. Then, first and foremost step is making sugar syrup. For this, I am using 5 cup of sugar, which I used for measuring the gram flour. In that cup, I am taking 5 cup of sugar for 4 cup of gram flour and then 2 cup of water. This is the measurement: 5 cup sugar, 2 cup water. Then heat the pan, allow this to boil. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. Now it reaches the boiling point. Allow this to for 5 more minutes. In this stage, check the consistency like this. If you find a string in between your fingers, it means it reaches the consistency. Now switch off the heat and add the natural flavor to the syrup. For this, I am using 12 number of cloves and 1 number of nutmeg. Make a powder of these and fry it in ghee. This will give best aroma to the laddu. Just I am frying this in ghee. After frying this, mix it in the syrup. Now next step is making bundi. I am taking half part of the flour, that is 2 cup of gram flour with 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Add the water gradually and stir well until you get the smooth batter. Make sure there is no lumps in the batter. I am making half part only because of the best result. After finishing this, then again I will do the same for remaining flour. Now the batter is ready. Take a pan and add sufficient amount of oil, or you can use ghee also for best taste. I am using oil. After heating the oil, using this tool, this is a special tool for making bundi. This has funnel with holes. You can see the tool. This is the tool for making bundi. Just keep like this. Keep the tool on the pan and pour the batter. Pour sufficient amount of batter like this. Then you can see the bubbles. Instead of buying outside, you can do like this. This is very healthy. There is no artificial color, preservative or artificial flavor. You can make a delicious laddu from your home for your lovely family. Now it's completed. All the bubbles get rest. This is the consistency. Now take all the bundis and put it in the syrup and mix it well. Complete the rest of the items also. and mix it well. Keep this for 2 hours for soaking process. I am garnishing with cashew nuts. Fry this cashew nut with ghee and add into the soaked bundi. Now it's completed 2 hours. Now I am making laddus. Take handful of bundis and squeeze it like this. Roll like a ball. You will get the proper round shape. The delicious South Indian dessert is ready. Try this in your home for your family. I hope you like this video. Thank you.